If you're saving money but still feel like you're falling behind, inflation might be the reason. Let's talk about how inflation affects your savings and what you can realistically do about it. Welcome back to Simple Financial Literacy. So far, we've talked about what inflation is, how it affects your budget, and money habits that help. Today, we're focusing on your savings. Inflation slowly reduces the value of your money. That means the money sitting in your savings account buys less over time. Even though the number in your account doesn't go down, its purchasing power does. This is why saving can feel discouraging during inflation. Many people think saving money is enough, but during inflation, where and how you save matters. This doesn't mean saving is bad. It means saving needs a strategy. First, don't stop saving. Emergency savings are still important. Having cash gives you security, flexibility, and peace of mind. The goal isn't to eliminate savings, it's to be smarter with it. Keep money set aside for emergencies. This protects you from debt when unexpected expenses happen. Money you need soon should stay safe. Money for the future can grow differently. We'll talk about this more when we discuss beginner investing. Inflation pushes people to rush into decisions. Learning first is always the better move. If you feel like you're doing everything right but still worried, you're not alone. Inflation challenges everyone. Understanding it puts you ahead. In the next video, we'll talk about inflation and debt, and how to avoid common traps. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching Simple Financial Literacy.